In this video, I am going to show you how can you add I button in your YouTube videos. But many of you might already know what I button is. But for those who don't know, it is a YouTube setting that allows you to feature one of your video in another video. But their topics may or may not be related. To give you an example, here you can see in this video in the above right corner, you can see the I button. This is how it looks like, and by clicking on this you can watch any of these two videos which was attached by the creator himself in this. Now to add I button or iCard in your YouTube videos, you first have to go to your YouTube analytics. You need to go to the details section of the video in which you want to add another other video. As you can see, I am in the details section of one of my video. From here we need to go to the iCard section, and here we got three options. First option is video, from which you can add video in your I button section. Second option is playlist, you can add playlist, and third option is channel, you want to feature other channel of yours, or someone else channel in your video. You can do this by just clicking on any of the plus sign. So for now I'm going to add one of my video to the I button section. The procedure will be same for the other three options as well. So let me first choose a video, and after that you will be able to choose the position of I button in your video by just placing this thing in your video wherever you want. You can also add another video or a playlist or a channel to the same video. So there's no limit for that. After doing all these things, your work will be completed, but don't forget to save all the changes that you have made. So this is how you can add iCard or I button in your YouTube videos. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, and also make a comment.